Within EarlyTech, we do various events in technology transfer and human resources in the cross-border region of Aachen, Maastricht and Liège. And our target is to bring companies together, to establish new contacts between companies and universities and research institutions. Within EarlyTech, we are really focusing on one-to-one relations between companies and research, and therefore we do events like EarlyBirds Technology Breakfast.
We from Heinen Automation attend to events such as EarlyBirds. It's perfect for us to extend our transnational contacts.
EarlyBirds is first of all cross-border, bringing together different parties. It is early because we are meeting very early in the morning. It is very inspiring because you are confronted and you get presented different contributions from companies, from research. It is tasty because you have a breakfast. And what is most important, that you really can network, can establish new contacts, can detect complementarities, and can also start a cooperation.